What is DeepSeek, and why is everyone talking about it? The AI revolution everyone's watching. DeepSeek is the latest buzz in the tech world. It's an AI platform from China that's outpacing competitors like ChatGPT, and it's doing so at a fraction of the cost. With a perfect storm of innovation and ambition, DeepSeek is redefining the future of artificial intelligence globally. From underdog to power player. Built by visionary Lian Wenfeng, DeepSeek became a sensation with millions of downloads in the Apple Store. It leverages both advanced NVIDIA A100 chips and cost-efficient solutions, proving you don't need limitless budgets to build groundbreaking tech. DeepSeek isn't just innovation, it's a bold declaration of independence. A disruptive force in global markets. DeepSeek's rise hasn't only impressed users, it's made waves in global markets. Companies like NVIDIA have already felt the shock, with their market value plummeting by $600 billion. This success is proof of China's growing strength and a pivot to becoming a leader in cutting-edge technology advancements. The controversy beneath the buzz. While praised for its creativity, DeepSeek also faces scrutiny. Questions about censorship and its role in a competitive global AI race raise concerns. Is it just a tool for progress or something more complex? DeepSeek's story is as much about challenges as it is triumphs. Cover the future with DeepSeek. DeepSeek is rewriting the rules of the tech game, but what does this mean for you? Don't just watch history unfold, be part of it. Like, share, and subscribe to explore how DeepSeek and innovations like it are shaping your world. The future isn't waiting, dive in now.